Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the images and opening shortcuts. This is the only way to switch wallpaper automatically with Focus. Confirm your device runs iOS 16 or later. Choose clear lock and home images that match screen aspect ratios. Next, tap Automation, then create Personal Automation and pick Focus as the trigger. Once done, select the specific focus mode you'll tie to the wallpaper. Make sure to uncheck any unrelated triggers, so the automation only runs when that focus activates. Now construct the actual action. Tap Add Action and search for Set Wallpaper. Choose the image source, photos, album, or a specific file, and then specify whether to set lock screen, home screen, or both. Adjust options like scale or perspective and add repeat or get images if you want multiple wallpapers. Then, critically, disable Ask before running so it executes without prompting. Once configured, press Done to save the automation. This links the focus trigger to the wallpaper change you just built. Finish by testing. Activate the chosen focus manually and watch the lock and home screens update. If nothing changes, open the automation and double-check the image source and screen target, then rerun. Make sure Ask before running is off for final use, but temporarily enable it to see prompts while troubleshooting. Also confirm Shortcuts has permission to access photos. If problems persist, restart the phone or recreate the automation. These steps resolve most permission or trigger mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.